Hi everyone, want to hop on a viral Cinewaffles X two different worlds trend? Here's how to make your own eye-catching cinematic reels that match the aesthetic and emotional vibe of the trend. So let's get started. What is the trend? The Cinewaffles X different worlds audio is known for its emotional cinematic music perfect for storytelling edits like before and after transformation, two sides of me personality reveals, the glow ups, parallel universe, dual life concept, and love stories. And here are the step by step make your reel. Find the audio, just go to the Instagram Reels and search the Sunny Waffles X Two Different Worlds and tap the trending audio and tap use audio to save it for later. Then plan your concept. Popular formats include a split screen, like this. This is me versus at home and contrast, relationship, emotional glow, and the audio typically has a slow build up. Follow the cinematic drop and sync your edit to match this dynamic. Then after that, edit your clips. That's just use a CapCut, VN, or Instagram built-in editor. And on the CapCut, just import your clips, add a time transition, add cinematic filters, slow motion, zooms, and more. Then post at the peak time. The post during your audience peak time is usually 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and use a relevant hashtag like this. And the bonus tip is you can use an emotional caption for storytelling, text overlays or to hook viewers. You can also add a trending keywords to your caption and use a real timing feature to match mood shifts. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.